In the last part of GelatoPassport Plus, we have a few options of plotting. The first one is very interesting when we make different types of recipes, or when, for example, we want to convert a milk recipe into a vegan recipe, which is the fatty acid balance. If we click on plot balance, we see what is the balance between the saturated and unsaturated fat. Let's remind that the balance between saturated and unsaturated fats is very important into the gelato. Then we have another graph, which is the solids balance, to see how many solids and how much water there is. These graphs can be very useful when you need to make a presentation, for example. You can simply take a screenshot of this part of the page and insert it in your presentation. The last part is also very interesting. If we put all the prices of our ingredients, what we can do is to get an idea what ingredients have a bigger incidence in my final price. For example, here we have the percentages, and we can also see it visually. Here the biggest incidence is from cream. We can also, for example, say milk and cream, obviously they have a big incidence because there's a lot of it. So we are not interested in that, we are interested in where we can cut costs on the smaller ingredients. So let's remove milk and let's remove cream, and we have an idea what is big. Okay, skim milk powder, sucrose, stabilizer. So dextrose is for sure what has the smallest incidence. In this way, we can have a fast and visual confirmation of how and where to act when we want to change or reduce the cost. And again, we can also take a screenshot of this part of the page and put it in our presentation.